All right, we're here to celebrate a special moment in the life of our beloved catamaran.
We are here to honor the past and embrace the future as we christened our boat with its new name, Paul and Lindsay.
Oh, you pour the champagne? Pour the champagne. Get the champagne. Where are we at, Lindsay?
We're in Marigot, St. Martin. At anchor, we're about to set sail for the first time on the Bluebell. Well,
Oh, spoiler alert. Oh my gosh. Oh!
about to set sail, so we are performing a ceremony.
Exactly.
All
All right, what happens next?
Pour a small amount of champagne in the water.
Oof, wasting champagne, but
Symbolically.
what's it
Each
for?
direction.
Each direction.
Now you have to read this. Ooh, don't drink that.
Nope. Okay. All right, as a tribute to the mighty seas that will carry us, we pour the champagne to mark our respect for the four corners of the earth. All right, to the north. Nice. Pouring it directly into the wind. To the east. That's a little hot. To the south. Oh, you need some more. And then to the west. You gotta go to the back of the boat to do that. Nice. All right. You're here, May, at Lindsay's.
May the winds forever be in our favor, and may our adventures be filled with joy and discovery.
Nice.
All you gotta get your-
Over to me, huh? All right. I gotta get the got our seashell here. So, all right, Almighty Neptune, ruler of the deep, humbly ask for your blessings upon our vessel and all who sail aboard her. Guide us through calm waters and protect us in storms.
Before
Nope, Poseidon.
God of the sea, we call upon your wisdom and strength. Grant us safe passage and fill our hearts with the spirit of adventure. Before we embrace our boat's new identity, let us take a moment to express our gratitude to the name that has accompanied us on our previous journeys.
All right. Oh yeah. So we thank you, dear Tintas, for faithfully carrying us on countless nautical miles. May your memory sail forever in our hearts. We even have a poem to honor the christening of our new name. I want to say the poem. I do, it's right here. Yeah, it's written.
In the depths of the sea, a tale unfolds of Tintus the boat and the stories it holds. Through sun and storm, it braved every swell. A trusty companion, we bid it farewell. Now Bluebell emerges with sails unfurled. A new chapter begins in this watery world. With Neptune's blessing and champagne's cheer, we set forth on a journey with hearts sincere. Paul, on to you.
Ah, very nice. All right, may she carry us to distant shores filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. In closing, let's have 3 cheers for the new vessel, Bluebell. Hurrah! Hurrah!
Hurrah!
Hurrah! To Bluebell.
It's a Bluebell.
Cheers, my love. It's not here first, folks.